Hello everyone, today I crafted an interactive video game sales dashboard on Power BI. In this dashboard, I use a dynamic title written using DAX function, which works based on the slicer. In this dashboard, it contains three slicers to filter based on region, genre, and year. If I click on fighting, you can see total sales from 1980 to 2016 for genre fighting. Total genre sales from 1980 to 2016 for genre fighting. Total platform sales from 1980 to 2016 for genre fighting. Total publisher sales from 1980 to 2016 for genre fighting. First, I use line chart and clustered bar chart for these three charts. If I click on shooter, you can see how the dynamic title works. If I change the year, you can see change to 2016. If I change to yes, total sales from 1983 to 2016 for genre and used four cards to showcase total global sales, total sales in Japan, total sales in North America, total sales in Europe, and clustered bar chart for top 10 selling game by global sales and top 5 global sales by publishers using clustered column chart and a pie chart to display top 3 global sales by genre and a table to display platform sales in Europe, sales in Japan, sales in North America. And this is all about my dashboard. Thank you.